As 2024 concludes, anticipation surges regarding the forthcoming year's prospects for cryptocurrency, stirring greater interest than ever before. The past 12 months have etched historic milestones, setting the stage for what could be another eventful period. Hence, we aim to present 10 predictions encompassing the crypto landscape in 2024, with a potential bonus insight for our loyal followers, so stay tuned for that. Before we proceed, it's important to emphasize that the contents herein aren't financial advice. Rather, they serve as educational insights aiding your crypto journey. Additionally, members of the Coin Bureau team, including myself, hold certain cryptocurrencies discussed in this video. Full disclosure details of our crypto portfolios can be found at the video's conclusion. Our initial forecast centers on the anticipated approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in 2024, an outcome widely expected. According to Bloomberg ETF analysts, the likelihood stands at around 90%, particularly during the early part of January. Should this approval not materialize in early January, attention could shift to later in the month, given the SEC's scheduled decision-making on multiple spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Should the January window pass without approvals, the final window for potential authorization would open in mid-March. It's worth noting that BlackRock's history of ETF application rejections by the SEC remains minimal, suggesting a high possibility of approval. Nevertheless, a widespread rejection could severely impact BTC's price and the broader crypto market. Furthermore, even a delay could trigger a market pullback, given the prevalent anticipation of approval. Building on this, our second prediction involves BTC hitting a new all-time high in 2024. Irrespective of the ETF's approval, historical patterns suggest that BTC tends to surpass its previous highs approximately a year before reaching its cycle peak. Applying this trend, projections estimate a potential rise to over $80,000 for BTC by the end of 2024. However, it's crucial to note that such a price forecast remains conservative, with a projected cycle high expected in late 2025. Regarding the impact of the Bitcoin halving on BTC's price, our third prediction argues that it's unlikely to prompt immediate significant effects. The halving historically influenced price fluctuations due to supply reductions, but recent instances have shown minimal immediate impact, suggesting that this event might already be factored into the market dynamics. Moving forward, our fourth forecast anticipates the emergence of the first narrative shaping the next crypto bull market in 2024. This narrative, akin to the DeFi boom in 2020, could stimulate speculative fervor, potentially steering investors toward smaller cap altcoins from established cryptocurrencies like BTC and ETH. Continuing from this premise, our fifth prediction foresees Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions gaining substantial adoption in 2024, potentially posing formidable challenges to other Layer 1 solutions. This projection hinges significantly on Ethereum's upgrade to accommodate significant scalability improvements. The past year has been a monumental one, and indications suggest that the coming year may hold equal significance. Here, we aim to present 10 predictions for the cryptosphere in 2024, with a potential bonus insight for our dedicated followers, so stay tuned for that. It's imperative to reiterate that the content shared isn't financial advice but serves as educational guidance to aid your understanding of the crypto world. Additionally, certain cryptocurrencies discussed in this video are held by members of the Coin Bureau team, including myself, and detailed disclosures can be found at the end of this video. Our initial forecast focuses on the impending Danoon upgrade, scheduled for January, expected to significantly enhance Ethereum's Layer 2 scalability and further reduce transaction costs. This upgrade will bring Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions on par with some of the fastest Layer 1 chains. Notably, several other Layer 1 cryptocurrencies leveraging the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, for smart contracts inadvertently function as de facto Layer 2s on separate blockchains. This diversification has eroded Ethereum's market share and market capitalization. Following the Danoon upgrade, Ethereum's Layer 2s are poised to reclaim a significant portion of this EVM market share from other Layer 1 chains. This shift is expected to fuel substantial rallies in tokens associated with Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions, potentially propelling Ethereum itself to perform strongly. The impact of this might be amplified if spot Ethereum ETFs receive approval, a factor often overlooked by investors. Our sixth prediction ties back to Ethereum, forecasting the initiation of stablecoins for global payments in 2024, primarily non-USD stablecoins. As most stablecoins are built on Ethereum and its Layer 2 solutions, they are poised to serve as viable payment alternatives post the Danoon upgrade. Payment systems represent a crucial aspect of crypto's promised utility, yet widespread adoption has been elusive. However, recent stablecoin regulations, though largely limiting USD stablecoin usage, open doors for euro-based stablecoins. Significantly, stablecoins are backed by government debt, providing governments an avenue to subsidize their spending. This unique feature offers a compelling incentive for governments, particularly in the EU, to embrace and potentially promote stablecoin payments in their national currencies. Furthermore, our seventh prediction involves the expected use of crypto by nations for trade purposes in 2024. Though initial instances might involve countries like Iran and Russia, often viewed as controversial actors, this development mirrors the early stages of BTC's individual adoption curve. As BTC's usage diversified, the fraction of such actors dwindled, paving the way for broader acceptance. Similarly, at the national level, this initial stage could lead to BTC's recognition as a viable option for international trade, especially in the context of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Continuing on this trajectory, our eighth prediction foresees publicly traded companies incorporating BTC into their balance sheets in 2024. This trend, similar to MicroStrategy's move in 2020, could become a significant catalyst for the crypto market's momentum. Notably, recent alterations in crypto accounting rules in the US make it more attractive for publicly traded companies to hold BTC. These changes allow companies to report unrealized gains on their crypto holdings, potentially enhancing their appeal.